Ang tahanang ito ay may modernong kusina na may granite countertops, overhead cabinets, retractable faucet, box-type sink, soft-close under-counter cabinets, meron ding oven, 4-zone built-in cooktop, at range hood. Kasama rin dito ang maid's guest room na may washer-dryer provisions at isang pribadong comfort room. Ang maluwag na living room area ay may split-type air conditioner at isang pribadong balcony. Ang bedroom 1 ay may built-in closet, split-type aircon at pribadong balcony. Ang banyo ay may rain shower head, partial shower enclosure, modernong fixtures, vanity at anti-slip tiles. Ang master bedroom ay may malaki at komportable, may split-type aircon, pribadong balcony, built-in closet at ensuite bathroom. Ako nga pala si John. Para sa ibang impormasyon, maaaring mag-iwan ka ng mensahe. Salamat!